Hey, how's it going? This is Fred Livai. Just wanted to bring a quick video to you guys to go over some of the things that Lexington Law does. So, one of the differences, the main key differences between my company and Lexington Law is the fact that they're not really using factual disputing. They're kind of putting you into a pick one when one of these may not be the actual reason for the dispute. So there's three questions that they ask in regards to each account as you go through their services. We don't ask these things because we base our disputes based on factual disputing methodology as in conjunction with Metro2 Compliance Request. This is what differentiates and separates us from all the credit repair companies out there. If you're looking at somebody who is well versed with Metro2 compliance, we're probably one of the very few who specialize in this. But getting back to the video in regards to Lexington laws, the first thing they do is they ask you to pick which one of these applies to you. Now, what I have got from an insider is that their main reasoning for picking an account is the account is not mine, and they say that if you pick the account is not mine, then the account is going to fall off your credit report. This is not true. This is probably why a lot of clients from Lexington Law stick on their books for 18 to 36 months and even longer. What they do is they try to manipulate you and think that things are working on your behalf, when in fact it's not. They're taking their sweet time, quite frankly, to get the accounts, to get you to pay for a longer period, because that's just more revenue in their pocket. Okay, so like as you can see in this screenshot, the first item is this isn't mine. The second item is I never paid late. Now, when you look at a credit report, a tri-merge credit report, and you put the three bureaus against each other, most circumstances, the late payments, the month that the account was paid late, they're going to not match up exactly correct. So you can't be late in April 2019 and not late with one of the other bureaus for that same month. So everything that's reported on your credit report must be 100% accurate, verifiable, and reporting within the time frames. That's what the Fair Credit Reporting Act says. So that's what we base our disputes on, is based on federal law. Okay. The next item is this was influenced by military service. Well, this could be a case for that. And if it is, we could definitely get that taken care of if you have the proper documentation that proves that you were deployed during the time of the lates. Okay. Next item, assigned to someone else by a judge or court order. Now, a lot of times you'll see this in divorce proceedings where the judge will say that one spouse has to pay it. That does not take your legal obligation away. You still have a legal obligation to pay the creditor because it was your account. So in this circumstance, that's not really a good idea to say that, because now you're admitting fault, you're admitting blame. Okay. Misreported student loan. A lot of times we see this. A lot of times the accounts won't report late until they're 90 days late. When this happens, it happens for a number of reasons. Usually the student loan companies don't report the 30-day late nor the 60-day late. They only report once it hits that 90-day late. There are things around this that we do offer student loan services, so this may be an option for you to try to get those defaults on your student loans removed. Okay, and none of these apply. More than likely, that's what the account is going to be, is none of these apply. All you have to do, folks, is you just look through the credit report. If the information isn't accurate 100%, then by law they're not supposed to report that. Because Fair Credit Reporting Act says if it's reported, it has to be 100% accurate. So when they're putting those X's on your account number, they're not putting enough numbers on the account number. That's an inaccuracy of itself. Okay. And then again, it has that third item, do not challenge this item. So there you have. That's the first section of their disputing process. Okay. Here's the second part. Was this item affected by any of the following? Choose the one that best fits. Okay. Divorce, student loans, medical bills, identity theft, military service, and none of these apply. Another one of the main things that they're advising, and this is from an insider that I've heard this from, is that they're trying to have you claim identity theft. And that's why what I did is I took these screenshots from the person who gave me the information. So I went ahead and, as I was going through their information, this is the information it came back with. This is what they chose. Again, if you look at that first item, it was, this is not mine. Now they're saying that this is identity theft. Okay. So that's the second part. And then the third part, please provide more details. This is my account, but it went negative due to identity theft. Okay. So the very first part, they said that the account is not mine. Second part, they claimed identity theft. And the third part, they're claiming this is my account, but it went negative due to identity theft. So as you can see, the things aren't matching up. And this is the reason why so many people go to Lexington Law to have to be rerouted to a new company to help them with their problems. So if you find yourself in this type of situation, we'd love to help. We'd love to give you a consultation to kind of go over how our services work, how we differentiate from Lexington Law and most of the other credit repair companies out there. Feel free to send an email comment below. Our email address, you would be able to send that to is info@approvedmyscore.com. Again, info@approvedmyscore.com. If you want to give us a call, toll free, 1-800-972-3970. Love to be able to kind of go over, like I said, our services and how we differentiate ourselves and our vast knowledge in the Metro2 arena. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video as it helps get the information out there. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'd love to be able to answer those for you. You have a good day.